So last time we checked in, I didn't do a thorough, I showed you guys my things that I use, but I didn't show you how I use them. So right now I have on my turmeric scrub. I will show you all, because I know I have new subscribers. I make this myself, okay? This is turmeric scrub that I use on my face. So it's already on my face and it's been sitting for a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off with cold water, and then I'll do the mask thing. So let's cold water this face. A lot of people don't like cold water, but cold water is the key to having some good skin. Okay? It does something to your pores too, guys. Some of you might say, but Sonia, you did the cold water first with the scrub? Yes, because when you put the mask on, it asks you to have clean skin. So I don't use the turmeric scrub every single day. I try to switch out. I try not to do the same thing every time to my face, because your skin will get used to that. So every now and then it's okay to do like a reverse. Okay? So I'm going to give this a minute while my skin is drying. I'm going to let it get to where it's supposed to be. You can still see that it has like a, y'all didn't see me, but it has like a little, I have like a little shine still to my skin. Always pull that way with your skin, okay? Always pull this way, guys. So give me a minute. So I'm going to apply the lavender mud mask. This is lavender and witch hazel. So you're just going to take it like that. I don't use a lot. So far I have used, maybe this is the third time. If you catch one of my shorts, I think on my other channel, I probably had it on my face. Okay, so I'm going to apply it like this. I think I have like, I don't know if it says like how many times you can use this, but I come to see that, like I said, this is my third actual time using it, okay? I don't have a big face either. I don't know, if that has anything to do with it, Is there such thing as a big face? I don't know. Sonia, why did you say that? I don't know, y'all. I'm just saying, like, this is my third time using it. And I really believe I have more to, I have more to go, like more usages. So I'm going to put it under here. We're going to let this dry. I'll come back. I'll show you how it looks, I guess, when it's dry too. But you see, I still have, if y'all can see, I have a lot of that left still. So I'm just going to go ahead and push it on down so I can close it. See? I'm going to close it like that. So next time I have a use, I can use it. All right, guys, we're going to let this dry. I look funny, right? Hold on. Sorry about that. We're going to let this dry. We're going to let it dry, and then we're going to go from there. So I'll be back, okay? Okay, fun fact or reality, it smells really good. You can smell the lavender. So again, this is what it is, if you guys want to look for it. Drying time is not that bad. It's been about, I think it calls for either 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. It says 15 minutes. Sonia likes, oh my God, some good stuff. But I like beans. I like all kinds of beans. Let's see if she's still lit. Okay. But anyway, guys, I think cumin is good for you. So yeah, guys, I've just been taking care of myself. I'll put it up until I get ready to leave out this morning. All right, y'all. So There we go. It gets a little crusty and it kind of dissolves into your skin. If you can see what I'm saying. Looks a little scary, a little bit. Y'all, I'm thinking about doing my nails. Look how healthy they are. Now this hand, wait a minute, hold on. Can y'all see? What the heck is you doing, Sonia? This hand. This hand is fine too. The other day this broke. I was so pissed. I get pissed about my fingernails, I know. But I'm gonna rinse this off. Same thing with cold water. Then we'll pat it dry and then I'll show you how I, let me turn the cold water on now. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, it's really cold. Ooh, Lord. The other one was cold when I washed off the other stuff, but I made it like I added a little warm water. This here, this is super cold. Can't see, so I'm trying not to get it on my hairline. I think we're done. Ooh, oh my God, I got some left. Hold on. Okay. All right, cold water. Where we at? Ooh, okay, I did pretty good. All right, a little bit left under there, but that's okay. Then you pat it dry. Oh God, that feels good. Cold water is good for your skin though. It really is. Y'all, when I say refresh, that's refreshing for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and add on. Remember I told you I was gonna put the vitamin E in here? Look at that skin. Can y'all see the skin? OMG, like that feels so good. So I'm going to add a little bit. This comes out very, very little. So it looks like I'm using a lot. And y'all, that vitamin E oil I got, it smells like, it smells really good. Then I'm going to add this glowing other serum. I'm just going to mix them together. I don't feel like doing all that extra stuff today. Okay. Ooh. All right. This has became a skincare. I really care about my skin though. Not just my face, all over. Okay? Oh my goodness. All right. And that's it, guys. Brush these eyebrows up. That's part of my routine every day. And I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and get up out of here. But I just wanted to show y'all how to use that mask. All right. Hopefully y'all can see me, but I just wanted to show y'all my OOTD of the day. Decided to put this on at 66 degrees. Ooh, I'm coming down, I'm coming down. I'm coming down. The reason why I'm saying that, y'all know I love chips. I love me some chips, and I've been staying away from the chips. This smells so good. I forgot where I picked this up from. I think it was like at a Rose's. I was able to put my wood top on here. But this smells really good. It smells like it has a lot of tuberose and gardenia in it. So I'm gonna throw that on. I'm gonna show y'all my hair a little closer. Put on this color. Because I have on a darker tone shirt. Throw this cardigan on. So what I did was I mismatched. I did something a little different. I put on dressy with casual or sporty. I threw on these tennis shoes. These here with the baggy, you know. And my cardigan, my long cardigan, I can finally wear it outside. So for the hair, y'all know I took it out those sister I did goddess braids the natural way with the twist. So that's how that turned out. And I just took it loose and I put it in 2 ponytails and let the back just hang down. Oh yeah. And I got my little bag to go with the shirt and y'all know. But I'll see y'all. I'll probably see everyone in a little while. Today is 60. I think highest gonna get to 68 with participation. I think they said that's the weather. So see you guys later. Bye.
I'm your big belly daddy. Technically, you don't need to be with nobody but me. My fan on.
Speed math as J begins class. The science of past is now brought to the rhyme. Was the greatest MC and ready to throw. His DJ cut up a break beat and he's played out rhymes that went out.
Y'all, I'm outside. It's around 6 p.m. I'm outside sitting back here. I hope I don't get copyrighted because my neighbors got this music playing. But it's about 6. I've been home for a few minutes. I'll say for a few minutes. It's getting ready to rain. I don't know if y'all could see, but it's very, very cloudy. So I just thought I'd tap back in before I end out the vlog. I'm not finished with the vlog yet, but I don't know. Y'all hear the rain? Look. You see the raindrops? Okay, I'm gonna close this garage. Y'all, that cardigan I wore today, it was so nice. I got a lot of compliments on my outfit. However, do you know, if you're not careful, that thing will trip and make you fall. I didn't know how long it was to the floor. Now, when I'm at home, it tends to be okay, but, you know, I guess walking around, you know, work and stuff like that, it just, I don't know, it was getting caught up in my shoes, but, yeah. I know y'all hear that rain. Now, the sun done came out, but let me go lock the garage and I'll be right back. Okay. I know y'all hear that rain. Oh my God, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I told y'all. Look, y'all see the ground? They said around this time, so we'll catch up in a minute. And just like that, it started to storm. I know y'all hear that rain coming down. So I wanted to change out my plants this evening. So I'm gonna put this one in my office and see how it does, but I think it'll be okay. For some reason, y'all, this is so pretty to me. She's so beautiful. This room gets a lot of light, so I just thought I'd put it in here, see how she does. I think I'm probably gonna put this one in the front room and have like 3 large plants in there. I'm not 100% sure, but I want to see how she does. I'm gonna probably move this as well, so we're gonna see about that, okay? But I'm gonna put this one in my office. Oh boy, I think she'll do well in here. Like I said, y'all, it's a rainy day. They was right on time about the rain, so we're gonna, from time to time, I will update y'all on how she does, but I think she'll be well. Sometimes it's good to like put them in different spots, you know? So guys, the frame came out really, really nice. Like, I really like it, but it's time to move it. I'm gonna go ahead and move it. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna move this. And I'm thinking about, I don't know guys, I'm tired of the candle waxes, buying those candle waxes as well. I'm gonna move this to you. I'm gonna probably set this, it's like good enough to sit here. I think I'll do this like that. And then I'm probably gonna move this. Yeah, I'll find somewhere else to put this, you know. So let's put this, let's get ready to hang our masterpiece on the wall, okay? I know I had mentioned I didn't want anything over my bed for certain reasons, but I changed my mind, and it's okay. You can change your mind, you know? You can always change your mind, all right? So that's what I did. So let me get up here, and let's hang this baby up. Let's see how far I want it though. Let's see. Is there a nail already in here? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna have to screw. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to screw one in. Not screw one in here, but I don't want it too high either. I think about. I might put it right here. So there's a hole right here. I can just go ahead and put a nail in it. You know what I mean? It's already a hole there. So yeah, guys. I mean, it is supposed to be like springtime, so you know, I just try to do something different with my spaces. So look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, let me bring y'all closer. Y'all, I love that for me. Look at that frame. You can't look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So that looks so nice with that plant right there. Look at that. I may let this go. I don't want to look for no thing. I don't know. Maybe I'll just donate it. You know what I mean? Get this out of here. And I'm going to put this plant, like I said, this big plant will go in the front. And I just want that right there. I got my picture. And I'm hopefully going to get this TV off the wall one day. Get another TV because that TV has lines in it. So, yeah. And then this is what I did to that. I just left that right there. So, yeah. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like the little switcheroos or whatnot? But I like my canvas. I love it. It's like screaming at me. Like, Sonia, you did that. Y'all, it is that time. Y'all already know. Sun is going down a little bit. It's still raining and pouring. Well, pouring and raining. But I got my dinner already ready. That's why I got my fork here. And I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. Guys, hype this video up. Share this video. Hype the video. Share the video. Leave me a comment. And yeah. I haven't been doing much, y'all. Y'all know I have not been spending any money or anything of that nature. So I don't really have a whole lot to like share. I'm just sharing bits and parts of my minimalist real life lifestyle with y'all. So I hope you guys have been enjoying. And I will see you in the next one. I did see a couple of people have put up a couple of videos. So I'm going to go ahead, eat my dinner. First, I'm going to share with you what I got. Eat my dinner and then watch try to catch up on some other people's channels. So here is my dinner. I have 2 grilled cheese sandwiches with Fieldcrest cheese, vegan mayo, guacamole. That's not the, spicy guacamole. And I have green beans with onions and garlic. So yeah, it's going down and I'm ready to chow down. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.